In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest on Betterment. So if you're looking for an easy way to invest and grow your money, Betterment might be a great option. But how does it work? In this guide, I'll walk you through how to start investing on Betterment. So what portfolio you can choose and some tips to maximize your returns. So first, to start investing, you'll need to sign up for a Betterment account. So go to the Betterment official website. So this is the official website and click the Get Started button. And then enter your email, password, and personal details, and then answer a few questions about your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Betterment uses this info to suggest the best portfolio for you. So after that, choose an investment plan. So Betterment offers a different investment strategies based on your goals, like for example, general investing, retirement savings, or wealth building goals. And Betterment automatically manages your portfolio using robo advisors, making it great for hands-off investing. So to start investing, you'll need to deposit a money into your Betterment account. It could be a bank transfer, recurring deposits, or a 401 and IRA transfers. And after that, once funded, Betterment will allocate your money into ETFs or exchange traded funds based on your goals, and then rebalance your portfolio automatically to maintain optimal risk levels, and then optimize for taxes using tax loss harvesting for our premium users. And then the platform does all the hard work. You just watch your investment grow over time. And then that's it. You can monitor and withdraw them when needed. And that's how you invest on Betterment. It's an easy automated way to grow your wealth without managing everything yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.